माय नेम इज़ डॉक्टर अमीन मन्नान. दोज who do not know me, आज हम लेके आए हैं with a new experiments as I promised in the previous experiment. So today I am going to introduce to you Rohan who is a JRF. So let's meet him and see what he is doing. So this is Rohan.
Hello guys, how are you?
So Rohan, what you are doing actually today?
Today I am doing isolation part from soil sample, like isolating microbial consortium or microbial bacteria that are capable of producing PHA. PHA, it is a type of a bioplastic. So I will be isolating from the soil sample.
PHA is you are saying it is a bioplastic.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
And it is present in bacteria.
Bacteria as
Okay.
an inclusion body.
Okay, so from where you took the soil samples?
From petroleum type of soil, like from any garage or any petrol pump nearby, which are heavily polluted with petrol or oil.
Okay, so as you can see here, so he is wearing the mask right now, and what we can see here is some of his test tubes. Okay, you can show the test tubes, Rohan. Okay, so these are the test tubes.
Distilled water test tubes. I will be doing dilution of each sample into this distilled water using distilled water. And later on,
and what is that Petri plates over there?
later on after the dilution of the each sample, I will be plating on this beautiful Nile blue basal media, which is commonly used for the isolation of PHA producer.
Okay, so that looks like a blue color as well.
Yeah.
So after taking your soil samples, like you have collected the soil samples, then what you have done?
I have collected the soil sample. After the collection, I have inoculated into 10 ml of distilled water, and later on 1 ml from there I have added to the Newton broad. That will be regarded as mother sample. From that mother samples, I will be inoculating into this dilution distilled water.
So do you have the mother sample with you?
I do have. Let me show you.
Yep. Okay, so this is a temperature at 35 degrees Celsius, right?
Normally the bacteria grow at room temperature, that is around 35 to 37. So I have kept in BOD incubator. So my mother samples are here.
Put the light on also.
Heavily polluted. You can see that you will not be able to pass the light from through this. So it means the bacterial population is very much heavy. To isolate the particular bacteria, we have to dilute this sample. So I will be diluting this sample using distilled water.
Okay. You will be taking how much?
From here, I will be taking 1 ml and inoculate into 9 ml of distilled water.
And how many serial dilution you will do?
Up to 7.
Up to 7. You can close the door and keep it your sample.
Because it is mainly prepared for the isolation of PHA producer.
Okay.
There is no there are many methods,
So
but
let's say you serially diluting, you are basically serially diluting so that the population size will be reduced, you can get the pure culture, and then you will spread plate into this, and then you will incubate at what temperature?
35 degrees Celsius for 24 to 48 hours.
One more thing I would like to ask you here. So let's say the bacteria has grown, okay, after the spread plate, and since you have done the dilution, so after that dilution, then how you will differentiate that it is having a PHA bacteria?
That's a very interesting question. I have this beautiful.
Okay, we are showing something to us. Okay.
That is UV trans illuminator. After the 48 hours of the incubation, all the Petri plates will be analyzed using this UV trans illuminator. Okay, under the influence of UV radiation, the colonies which has the ability to produce PHA will glow white. Let me show you an example.
Okay, so again we are watching. So you have a showing us the interesting result here. So he's in his laptop, I guess. Okay, can you show with arrow or maybe with your hand?
Okay, just
So this is nine blue medium, right?
This is Nile blue basal media. On this different colonies you will be seeing. So here As you can see, these both colonies, they are showing white color under the influence of UV radiation. Okay, let me show you one more example. Here also, these all colonies are negative for PHA potential. This also, here you can see this white spot, that is a colony which has the ability to produce PHA. Rest all are negative. You can see this is negative, no sign of white color under the influence of the UV radiation.
Okay, so very good understanding, and maybe Rohan can conclude also his because he is looks like to me expert now in isolating this bacteria. So first of all, like best of luck for your experiments. So yeah, so the what next step which you are planning here? Say assuming that you have got this bacteria and it shows you thing, then what will be your next step?
I will be like isolating in the pure form using the 4-quadrant streaking that I will be doing tomorrow. So on the basis of 4-quadrant streaking, I will be isolating the pure colonies, and using that pure colonies, I will be producing the mass producer for the PHA, and that PHA can be used as an alternative for the plastic. As you know that plastic, they are very much harmful. Even the degradation time is very much high. Even it takes millions of years to degrade. But conventionally, the PHA, that is bioplastic, our bioplastic, can be used as a renewable source for the production of plastic.
So what I am getting it, say let's say you got the success, you isolated the bacteria, and then you probably are looking for its fermentation, like scale up process, or whether you are trying to incorporate some molecular aspects.
Well, I will be approaching for the molecular basis, like this gene which produces the PHA in bacteria. I will be like dissecting that gene and transfer into non-producer of PHA. So that organism will be able to produce PHA which earlier was not producing. So it can be a novel approach that from one bacteria which produces the PHA can be transferred into non-PHA producer which can produce PHA now.
So do you would like to acknowledge someone here?
Yes, this project I am doing under the guidance of Professor Arun Kanwal. He is my mentor and he is helping with all the facilities, even the approach to be used for the project.
Department
My department, he is working under Department of Microbiology, School of Bioengineering and Biosciences, lovely professional university.
Okay, so all the best, Rohan, and thank you for giving your time. And what I am assuming that let's come here, that whatever you will get, it will be patentable thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. All the best. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.